If you haven't had a chance to leisurely walk down the frozen food aisle, rather than just quickly grabbing what you need, you're really missing out. And with March being Frozen Food Month, there's no better time to not only check out all the new and innovative items, but to stock up, since many of them are on sale this month. There are heat and eat breakfast favorites, which are a lot more trendy these days than ever. And for those of us who love international classics, there are a world of flavor profiles that meet every palate, no matter what you're craving. Italian, Asian, Eastern European, even something south of the border. And since frozen food is simply real food, frozen, that means come dinner time, it's less work for us without sacrificing the taste. And gone are the days that frozen veggies simply came in frozen blocks. Those were a challenge to prepare. Today, we can find vegetables that are riced or spiraled to help us support our low-carb and keto lifestyles. And they taste great. There's even veggies designed to be roasted or air-fried, which makes them super convenient. So to take advantage of all these dishes, do what I recently did. Heat up an assortment of your favorites and create an easy-as-can-be buffet that everyone will love. Maybe add a few dipping sauces and dinner is ready, lickety-split. Maybe divide an individual meal onto tasting spoons and your family will be jumping for joy. And don't forget to pick up some ice cream while you're at the market, because that's the perfect complement to all of these items. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an inspiring and time-saving way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.